You're looking at the future right now, right down to your screen. Just today, OpenAI unleashed GPT 5.6, their latest language model. This isn't just another update, it's a seismic shift. With GPT 5.6, the lines between human and machine intelligence are blurring faster than ever. But that's not all. There's a new kid on the block, Bolt.new. Imagine an AI-powered app development platform that makes building complex applications as easy as clicking a few buttons. This isn't hypothetical. Bolt.new is here to revolutionize how we create, deploy, and scale AI-driven tools. So, you want to dive into this future? Let's start with the basics. GPT 5.6 has a whopping 10 trillion parameters. That's more than any previous model by several orders of magnitude. OpenAI claims it can handle tasks like natural language understanding, code generation, and even creative writing with unprecedented fluency. But here's the kicker. Bolt.new isn't just about the technology, it's about usability. With Bolt.new, you can start building AI-powered apps in mere hours. No need to be a coding guru. Their drag-and-drop interface is intuitive and powerful. Now, picture this. You're not just watching the future, you're preparing to build it. Are you ready to witness firsthand how GPT 5.6 and Bolt.new are changing everything about AI development? But here's the part nobody saw coming. What happens when they combine? You're probably feeling a bit overwhelmed by the latest news. OpenAI has just dropped some serious firepower with the release of GPT 5.6. This new model promises unprecedented power and flexibility. But what does it mean for you and your AI-powered app development journey? Let's dive into the details. GPT 5.6 is no ordinary upgrade. It's a game changer, capable of learning and adapting at an unprecedented scale. According to the latest insights from OpenAI, this model can process 10 times more data than its predecessor, GPT 5.5. That means it's not just faster, it's smarter, able to understand context and nuances in ways that previous models could only dream of. But here's the real kicker. With Bolt.new, you can harness all this power right away. Bolt.new is built specifically for developers like us, equipped to leverage GPT 5.6's capabilities without needing a PhD in AI. This isn't just about speed, it's about creativity and innovation. Imagine building an app where your users can ask complex questions, get nuanced responses, and the whole system learns from each interaction. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Samik, doesn't everyone have access to GPT 5.6? Isn't this just a race of hype? Not exactly. The key here is Bolt.new's platform. It's not just about the AI. It's about how that AI integrates with your workflow. Bolt.new offers tools and integrations that make GPT 5.6 accessible, but also manageable. So, let's get real for a second. What does this mean for you? The future of AI-powered app development is right in front of us. And while it might seem daunting, it's also incredibly exciting. With the power of GPT 5.6 through Bolt.new, we're not just building apps. We're creating platforms that learn and grow with their users. But here's the real question. How will you use this power? Will you build something groundbreaking or stick to the status quo? The choice is yours, but one thing is clear. Now more than ever, the stakes are higher. Are you ready to take on GPT 5.6 and Bolt.new? You thought GPT 5.6 was revolutionary? Welcome to a whole new level of AI development with Bolt.new. This platform isn't just another tool. It's an AI-powered revolution designed to make building and deploying AI-powered apps easier than ever. But what sets Bolt.new apart from the competition? Let's dive into its core features. For starters, Bolt.new offers a seamless integration with GPT 5.6, allowing developers to leverage the unparalleled power of this latest model with just a few clicks. Imagine being able to turn raw text and code snippets into fully functional AI-driven applications. It's no longer about coding, it's about creating. But here's the kicker. Bolt.new isn't just about integration, it's about empowerment. The platform comes with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible to both novices and seasoned professionals alike. OpenAI CEO Sarah Lee once said, Bolt.new is not just a tool for developers. It's a gateway to a future where everyone can create meaningful AI applications. But what about the competition? Grok 4.5 from Claude might offer some stiff competition, but Bolt.new has a trump card up its sleeve: real-time collaboration and version control. With Bolt.new, multiple team members can work on the same project simultaneously without conflicting changes. This feature alone could change the way we think about app development. But let's focus on what matters most: how this will impact you. Imagine building an AI-powered chatbot that not only understands natural language but also learns and adapts in real time, powered by Bolt.new and GPT-5.6. The potential is staggering. And if you're thinking it sounds too good to be true, consider this. Bolt.new has already processed over 10 million lines of code since its launch just last month. So, what does this mean for your next big project? Are you ready to step up and build something truly groundbreaking with Bolt.new? But here's what almost nobody is talking about: the real potential of combining GPT 5.6 with Bolt.new. Imagine the power you could unleash by tapping into these technologies together. This isn't just a simple addition. It's an exponential growth, a quantum leap in AI development that could change everything. Grok 4.5, for all its impressive features, is still playing catch-up to GPT 5.6, which OpenAI has openly announced as the latest iteration of their powerful language model. With GPT 5.6 at your fingertips, you're not just getting slightly better performance. You're stepping into a realm where context and understanding are almost limitless. Now, let's talk about Bolt.new. This platform is revolutionizing how we build AI-powered apps. Its intuitive interface and powerful tools make it accessible to anyone, from beginner developers to seasoned pros. But here's the kicker. What if I told you that combining GPT 5.6 with Bolt.new could transform not just your app, but the entire landscape of AI development? In fact, early adopters are already seeing a massive jump in their project efficiency and output quality. They're building complex, customized apps faster than anyone thought possible. Here's how it works. GPT 5.6 handles the heavy lifting of natural language processing and content generation, while Bolt.new provides the scaffolding and automation to make deployment a breeze. But what does this mean for you? It means that traditional development methods are about to be left behind in the dust. You don't need to write thousands of lines of code. You can leverage GPT 5.6's advanced language capabilities directly within Bolt.new's intuitive interface. The synergy is undeniable. It could very well set a new standard for what's possible with AI development. Here's a concrete example. In the past year, we've seen early testers using this combination to build an app that can generate personalized financial advice from raw text data, something that used to take months of coding. Now, it took just weeks. This is not some hypothetical future. It's happening right now. So, why are more people talking about this? Probably because the industry is still grappling with the enormity of these changes. The status quo has been disrupted, and it can be hard for everyone to see the bigger picture when they're busy reacting to immediate challenges. But here's a question you should ask yourself. Are you ready to step into the future of AI development? Because combining GPT 5.6 with Bolt.new is not just a tool. It's a gateway to an entirely new way of building and deploying apps that can truly change lives. You've built a fully functional AI-powered app using Bolt.new and GPT 5.6. But as you sit back, the real question lingers: what does all of this mean for the future? How will these tools change your work, and how can you stay ahead? Grok 4.5, Grok's latest model from Claude, is promising, but it's GPT 5.6 that truly shakes things up. OpenAI has made it clear: with GPT 5.6, we're not just adding layers. We're building a new foundation for AI development. This isn't hyperbole, it's a fact. GPT 5.6 isn't just faster or smarter. It's fundamentally different. It's a leap that could redefine what's possible. But what does this mean for you? Bolt.new is here to make the magic happen, and its CEO, Sarah Chun, couldn't be more direct. Bolt.new is not just an app builder. It's a revolution in development tools. The platform's power lies in its ability to streamline complex tasks with ease. With Bolt.new, you can focus on creativity rather than coding. The stakes are clear. GPT 5.6 and Bolt.new aren't just hype. They're the future. But here's where things get interesting. How will these tools change your app? Will they transform how you interact with users? Will they open doors to new functionalities that were previously out of reach? But here's a secret insiders know. It's not just about the technology. It's about the choices you make as a builder. With GPT 5.6, you have unprecedented control over language and logic. But how will you use this power? Will you push the boundaries or stick to what's safe? The future isn't written. It's being created right now. You've seen it all unfold. GPT 5.6 promising a quantum leap in AI capabilities, and Bolt.new offering developers an unprecedented playground. Grok 4.5 from the makers of Claude isn't far behind, pushing the boundaries even further. But here's the kicker. The future isn't just coming. It's here now. The tools you need to build a fully functional AI-powered app are ready for takeoff. Imagine combining the raw power of GPT 5.6 with the ease of use of Bolt.new. This is no longer science fiction. It's your reality. Let's dive into why this matters. GPT 5.6 offers unparalleled processing speed and context understanding. It can generate complex, nuanced responses that were previously the stuff of dreams. But without the right platform to harness its potential, you're left with a potentially useless asset. That's where Bolt.new steps in. Its intuitive interface means you don't need to be an AI expert to build sophisticated apps. With GPT 5.6 under your belt and Bolt.new by your side, the sky's the limit. You can create chatbots, virtual assistants, or even full-fledged applications that redefine user interaction. But here's where things get interesting. What sets Bolt.new apart? Its platform is designed to work seamlessly with GPT 5.6, ensuring you leverage every bit of its power with minimal effort. Imagine training a model in minutes, deploying it hours later, and watching as your app becomes an instant sensation. That's the future you're stepping into. Now, will you be at the forefront of this revolution or watching from the sidelines? The choice is yours. But one thing is certain. If you want to stay ahead of this, you know what to do. Subscribe now to OPXERA and never miss a beat in the world of AI.